Do you like it? You can also draw in this tab. As you can see, this is in red color and I had purchased the black one. So in front you can draw and in the back side you can connect with the computer because this is a 2-in-1 tablet which you can see. So it is also known as drawing tablet. And you can also connect with your phone except Samsung. Harpreet Art Maker.